if you wanted to be okay in life, you should actually have your own business. Wala pong yumaman sa trabaho lang. Okay? Wala po yan. You make wealth by profit, not by wages. Di ba? Kung wala ka pang negosyo ngayon, dapat yan ang iniaim mo. Kasi hindi lang po yan puro pera. When you have a business, tandaan nyo, you help a lot of people. Nakakakuha ka ng empleyado. Yung empleyado na yan may pamilya. So, ganyan nyo siya isipin. Hindi forever empleyado ka lang. So, I think everyone should be aiming to have a business of their own. No? Hindi naman kailangan mo maging tycoon, but at least meron kang source of income mo. Now, if you are not that greedy, meron ka source of income, sabihin mo, hindi ko naman gustong yumaman, at least nakakabigay ka ng trabaho sa iba. Hindi sapat yung sabihin natin, wala akong business, hindi ako magngangakpa. Kung wala kang business, the more na kailangan mo magngakpa. Kasi para maging successful ka, or if you have ngakpa, even if you don't have business, at least you be successful. You help in any which way you want.